This is a typical combination air valve. Air is released from the large orifice during filling and from the small orifice under pressure. AVK offers different types of air valves. They may look differently, but they have the same function and purpose. In this situation, there is no valve on the pipeline peak. A pump failure may occur, and due to the vacuum in the pipeline, it may collapse because we have water column separation. The benefit of installing an air valve on a pipeline peak is to prevent collapse if a pump failure should occur.